For example, if 10 人民币10块钱 20 Yes, so 20块钱 Okay, now how to ask question? When you go out shopping, you ask how much? Oh my gosh! So I don't need to teach you. Because it's so important. So the first word. Okay. So how much, how to say? So you need to know why we say 多少钱. Okay, so 多少钱 when we read 多少 you read together. So 多少钱 Yeah, 多少钱 Yes, so 多少 together actually 多少 means how many, how much. Yes, so actually how much money. How much money? Yes, so this asks the price. So 多少钱
多少 only for money or can you use it
for everything.
everything? Okay.
So 多少 means how much, how many. How much, how many. This for anything. Okay, this for anything. We add 钱 just for money, for the price. And the situation that when you go out, you want to ask something like how much, but because now we are still beginner level, many words we didn't learn, right? So for example, you go to ask, what's this? This how much? This. Yes, so let's learn another very useful word for everything.
If we ask how old are you then?
For this, something, okay? 这个 Yes, so but now you understand 个 is a measure word because now we only learn 个 measure word, so that's why everything now you can use this one. So 这个 So like out in the shop, you don't know how to call it Chinese. We didn't learn yet. You just say 这个多少钱 Yes. So 这个多少钱 Yes. So this word can help you to survive.
If we ask how old are you then? How old are you then? Can we use those?
No, that's different. Yes, understand? So talk about money. So and usually you show the subject first. So So 这个多少钱 Yes. And then the answer say 50 人民币 50块钱 Yes. So when we answer, then we use this one. Yes. So remember, quite more important. 50块钱 Sometimes they just say 50块 the short one, right? Yes. Now you understand. Quite is a measure word, right? Okay. So this is 这个 And some situation, I'm here. The bread is there. Yes, I want to ask that one how much? How to say? Yes, 那个 Important is 4 tones, okay? Easy to remember. Look, that one. That's why it's 那 Because later we will learn 哪 it's different meaning. For this one, that, look, is 的 go down. That's why it's 那 Fourth tone. That's why 是那个 So 这个那个 Yeah. 这个多少钱 then the boss, the shopkeeper say 50 RMB. How to say? 50块钱。Then you ask, 那个多少钱？Then say that one 55 RMB. Yeah, so 这个50块钱，那个55块钱。Yes. So talk about money, the same talk about the age. No need 是 ，OK? You can say 这个是那个是55块钱 ，but you can delete 是 ，just talk about the number is fine. Okay, so very important. So you learn this. Now you go out can ask the price. So before we finish, we learn 2 more things because every day we will use for greetings. I know some of you know already. Thank you. And then when you answer, 不客气. Yes. So this one easy. 谢谢. So now you know how to read, right? It's here. C. So it's 谢谢. 谢谢. Then is you're welcome. 不客气. 不客气. Yes. 谢谢, 不客气. Okay, so today we learn very important things. We learn how to say money, how to ask price, and this one, that one, because you know how to say 这个那个. Because now can for every situation. Because now we didn't learn so many words. You can use 这个那个 for all the situation. Okay? And then we learn for the number have 2 exceptions. 1, 2. For number 要 measure word 2. Okay? Question?
How to say please?
You don't need to learn please. Because we don't use please very much. Don't laugh, that's the truth. But we use a different way to show polite. That's why step by step we will learn. Now you don't need to learn because even you learn you don't use, then you will forget, just waste time. So step by step I will teach you how to be polite way to talk. We have different culture. We don't use, if you have been here for a couple months, you realize we don't use please very much, but we use a different way. Next.
But if I want to ask 이것과의 thing, they will 이것과의 thing. I don't need to use thing. It's like please.
You can use, yes. But normally we don't use, we have different way to say. Step by step we will learn. And okay? Any other question? So, yes, in the class, if you have for like this daily life some question also about the culture, you can ask. Okay? If you really want to learn, it's 请. Okay? 请 means please. But believe me, you go out to try to use. Not that necessary because we use different way. Yes. Okay, so homework, please practice these 4 tones, pinyin. Also, actually now, this one we finished. Right? Yes, we finished. Please prepare HSK-1 book. Can you show? Yes. So this one, please, yes, you can buy on Taobao online, or you ask here reception help you to buy. By this one, also the workbook, that's for exercise, 2 books. So maybe, yes, next class or next class, we will start to use the book, okay? Yes, next class, or next class, I will post the message in the group. So I will make a plan for our next class based on today's situation. If you start to use, I will tell you, you can bring. If no need, then no need to bring. Okay? Okay, everyone, thank you for coming.